if you want to go viral, can you see this for you setting here? If you want to go viral, set your channel in a way that YouTube can recommend your video. As you can see, this update, I just got this update that was last 2 weeks, so I decided to share this with you guys. By setting this on your YouTube studio, this will help you grow fast on your YouTube channel. For instance, you are posting 2 or 3 times inside a week. This will also help YouTube to distribute your content to the right audience. You understand? What mistakes that some people does is that once they create content, they will not give that perfect kind of description. Your content is not well defined, if it's an entertainment or a tutorial video or anything you can feel like. So I'm here to tell you that if you do this, if you adhere to this tutorial video that I'm about to give you, your video will change. If you are getting 200 views, 300 views, your views will change to 3,000, 5,000, and upward. Can get hundreds, thousands of views. You understand? Pending the kind of content you are doing. That's why I repeat, pending on the kind of content you are doing. That's why I also advise people, create good content. Use good quality camera to shoot your video. I'm going to be giving you this tutorial video very briefly on how to set this for you setting on your YouTube studio. Last week I talked about you not posting with your YouTube, rather you go to your YouTube studio to do that. If you use your normal YouTube app, you will not go viral. So on this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to do this for you setting on your YouTube channel. And mind you, what this for you setting does is that if you set this thing, YouTube will be able to recommend your videos. And last week I also talked about you setting your YouTube niche. Your YouTube niche means that any video you are doing, you should what? Give it a description. Like there's a way you set it on your YouTube studio. So right now I'm going to be giving you this tutorial video very briefly. So stay tuned. We are in my studio, right? So you go to channel customization direct. So here is channel customization. After you are in your channel customization, you go to home tab. You switch to home tab. So here is home tab. So you scroll down. You see this for you setting here. They say YouTube recommendation refresh content based on your viewer interest. This only visible on your viewer when you have tough content, enough content, I mean to say. So can you see, this is the recommendation I'm talking about. YouTube will recommend your video, that is your recent video, to a wider audience. So you go to more settings, then you scroll down. You look at this. If you click on all content recommended, for instance, you started your channel in a wrong aspect, so you decided to correct it in the wrong way. So it's expected of you for you to put what a recent content only. Me, I'm leaving my own on a recent content. You know, I'm leaving it on recent content. For instance, now your recent content are better than your former content, so it's better for you to leave it on a recent content. You understand? Recent content only. Then you press done. Then after which, YouTube will be able to recommend your content based on this setting you've done. They'll recommend no longer your old video, but your new video, the one you created newly. YouTube will be able to recommend those video to a wider audience, depending on your kind of content. That was what I was talking about earlier. For you to do these settings, for you to do all this on your YouTube studio, please create a good content, because that's what YouTube wants. Then after you set it, then you publish. After you've published, then you go back to the setting. Let's check it again. Let's check it again to confirm. Network is bad. So can you see it? So it's on recent content only. So
So if this video is of help to you, please like and share.